This is Marin Boxler.
And Benedict Bodensteiner. We present the virtual field trip to the Dresser Formation and the data we collected that proves life 3.5 billion from now.
Locality was Barrett Curl MVK. At Site 1, the geological setting is hydrothermal veins, and the morphology shows wrinkly layered stromatolites. There was also a chemical signature which can be inferred from the hydrothermal veins, where the hydrothermal fluids would have contained minerals.
Site 2 is very similar in the geology and the chemical way from the hydrothermal veins, but it differs in the morphology. There are domical and wrinkle-layered stromatolites, which clearly interfere with this physical sedimentation, so we have a strong proof for life there.
Second locality was Barrett Curl Jokic. Site 1, the geological setting in the past would have been hot springs, and there was also microfossil evidence present, which can be seen in the dark and light laminations and branching, which would have been created by the microbes. The chemical signature can also be seen and demonstrated by the iron in the dark laminations, which would have been used as a source of energy by the microbes in iron cycling.
On Site 2, we found, for the geology, it's hydrothermal veins and hot springs again. The chemi is like, the chemical evidences are the syntheterates, which are basically pools of minerals, and there are microfossils present there.
And at Zebra Rock, at Site 3, the geological setting here is the hydrothermal veins, and the morphology, the wrinkly stromatolites.
Another sample from the site is wrinkle-laminated and domical stromatolites, which also interfere with the sedimentation, and the geology shallow water, which is comparable to today's Shark Bay environment for stromatolites.
The strongest evidence would be in samples containing a mix of chemical signatures and morphological evidence, as well as microfossils, and these would all support the biogenicity of the stromatolites found there.
Also, the geology in the Dresser Formation would be ideal for microbial life or stromatolites. So you have a volcanic area with shallow waters and hydrothermal veins, which all points to life there.